So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove repost on Instagram. So it's quite simple. First of all, for that reason, let me just open up my Instagram application. Alright, then you can simply repost any of these, like I will go with this one. And now if we want to remove this repost, we can simply tap on repost button once again and the repost will be gone. But if you want to remove the previous repost, like if we go to the repost button, and as you can see there are 3 reposts here, so I want to remove all of these. So how you can do that is quite really simple. So for that reason, let me just open up any of the post, and then we will tap on this icon, which is actually a repost icon. So we will tap on that, and if we go back, and as you can see the post is gone. So that's how you can remove reposts on Instagram. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.